the action.
What's up, YouTube? J-Mart back in Maine for a road trip. We're at Cowbell Wood Fire Grill. This is a J-Mart road trip exclusive, and I think we're in for a treat, guys. This is a gourmet burger joint in Scarborough, Maine. There are 3 locations. We have these 3 locations here. The menu looks awesome, guys. So I ordered the Saco Bay Sunrise Burger, which is a beef burger with bacon, avocado, fried egg, and it looks great. Got it with a side of fries. It was under 20 bucks with tax. So it was a good deal for a premium looking burger. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this meal definitely needs a elusive, a crisp, clean, invisible napkin. Look at that. It's been seared. Here. Got the egg over here. Let's put that bad boy where it goes. There we go. We got our brioche bun. Lettuce, pickles, onion. We got the fried egg. Got bacon, beef, avocado. Let's put this bad boy together. Holy mackerel! Oh my goodness! Clean up aisle 3, please. Clean up aisle 3. Oh my word! Well, I guess we've got a dipping sauce for the French fries now. That fried egg is. Oh my! That is. Ooh! It's gonna be delectable. I'm gonna be very careful here, guys. This is big, it's messy. It looks delicious, though. Fellas, use a little more cowbell.
I could have used a little more cowbell.
Some flavor there, guys. There's some flavor. I came here only because the name was Cowbell. I am a big fan of the Saturday Night Live cowbell skit. Fellas, use a little more cowbell. The first taste I get is that beef flavor, good beef flavor. Salty. The bacon, I get a little avocado at the end of that. Oh man, so good. That crisp onion. The pickles, are they sweet? The pickles may be a little bit sweet. What a monstrous burger this thing is, huh? Man, a lot of freaking flavors going on in this burger, man. Place has a full bar, a dartboard, a putt range. You can practice your golf swing. Indoor and outdoor dining. Free parking. You can smell the ocean. We're so close to the ocean right now. It's literally like a quarter mile that way. And you're right there in the crisp, cold Atlantic Ocean here off the coast of Maine. The burger is cooked to order. You can choose between, beef, bison, Wagyu, chicken. There's all these different. I think there was even a prime rib burger. How can you go wrong, guys? You know. Look at that thing. What a mess, huh? Holy mackerel. Not a perfect medium. I'd say it's more on the medium well side, but they offer you from rare to well done. I asked for Well, I asked for medium, and a little bit past that, but it's still juicy. It's still delicious, and man, it's good. It's a good burger. I was also requesting this with tots, but they didn't have them in. They didn't have them in stock right now. These are not dill pickles. They are, I think, bread and butter pickles. So not as dill as I like, but you know, they're still good. They match this burger very well, though. The crisp pickle, the red onion, the and those thick pieces of bacon. This is a good burger. Is there even? I'm not even sure if there's cheese on here. Wow, there's no cheese on here. I didn't ask for cheese. It's so good, I'm not even missing the cheese, but imagine this with a piece of cheddar cheese, it'd be even better. Look at that. That's what we call in the biz, guys, as bonus bacon. A little piece of bacon in the tray. I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining about some bonus bacon. A fun place, huh? It's nice, it's clean. It's got character. Alright, this place has got character, guys. This isn't just some like hole in the wall. These guys, I mean, number one, you get the name Cowbell Wood-Fired Grill. Right? You're in Maine, you get the ocean. It's clean. Friendly employees. Right, here are the French fries, guys. If you want to get a closer look, they are covered in the drippings of the fried egg, and I'm sure they are delicious. These are not frozen fries. Absolutely hand cut, double fried. Oh, good. Nice and salty. This may be better than the tots. It could just be because of the egg dripping all over them. I mean, how can you go wrong? Alright, guys, if you're doing a road trip up to Maine, come on by here. Stop by Cowbell Wood-Fired Grill. Get yourself a burger. Try out there. They got poutine. They've got... You've seen the menu. They've got all kinds of stuff. It's a full menu, guys. You can't go wrong. So get your butt down here right now. Try out their stuff. I think you're gonna love it. And tell them J-Mart sent you. That's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.